Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Play Integrity Verification failed in ChatGPT. First, restart your phone. This clears small system error that stop the verification process. Turn it off, wait for 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Next, check your internet connection. For that, swipe up from the top right corner of your phone. This will open Control Center. From here, you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and avoid slow or public network. You can also turn off VPN or proxy app. VPN often cause the error because they block Google Play integrity check. Disable the VPN completely before opening ChatGPT. After that, check for the update. For that, open the App Store. In the search bar, type ChatGPT and open it. If you see any update available, tap it, cause old app version can fail verification. If the error continues, clear the cache. But in iPhone, you cannot clear the cache. For that, delete the app and reinstall it. If nothing works, contact to the ChatGPT support, explain the matter and wait for the response. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.